Guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, today I'm really excited. I'm super excited. This is something I've been wanting for so long, especially since I started being consistent on YouTube. Okay, like I'm taking YouTube very serious now. Most of the time I like to make bulk videos at once, so most times my phone doesn't really have that much space for some lengthy videos, and then I have to like edit, upload before I'll make it's just a lot for me. And with the current laptop I have now, I have the HP laptop, and transferring from iPhone to HP laptop is another stress on its own, so I don't even stress myself about it. So I've been wanting to get a MacBook for the longest time, so it will be easy for me to just transfer most of my videos on there and just edit it on my laptop instead of doing all the work on my phone, because it's becoming a lot on my phone. So which is the reason why I have decided to buy the MacBook Pro. I'm excited. So I'm going to unbox this on camera and show you guys let us unbox this together. Another reason I've decided to unbox this on camera is that I've actually bought this thing before, and I did an unboxing and I was almost scammed. Guys. Like, it came like this. It came exactly sealed, everything intact like this, only for me to open it and find out that it's a used MacBook inside. And thank God I was so observant. Just the way I'm doing this one now, I did the unboxing of that one. I'm like, let me quickly. So they delivered it to the house. Immediately I was opening it, I was filming it and everything. At the point, and I looked at the keypad. So don't worry, I'm going to insert the video somewhere here while we're unboxing this one, so that you will compare it together, so you will just see the difference between these two videos. So let's just go right into the unboxing. I'm super excited, and it's not a mouthful. I know that this one is not refurbished laptop. So yeah, it comes like this. I'm just going to open it. I think that one was still exactly like this. I will just probably insert the video of what that one looked like before, while I was unboxing it, so we can actually spot the difference between the two. Oh my goodness! Ooh. So this is a 13-inch laptop. It's the MacBook Pro. I think it comes in only gray color. I was actually looking for the champagne gold. So let me just keep that aside first, and let's check the accessories. This should be the manual and the rest of it, just the regular papers that comes with, and then this should be the charger. This is the charger head. Cute. And then this is the cord. This is really portable and compact. Like, I'm not used to this type of laptop. I use HP, so that one is like very big. So let's just open it. Oh my goodness! Oh my god! Oh my goodness! This is so cute, guys. I'm so happy. Yeah. Chassis. This is what they call chassis. Wow, look at this. Really cute. Let me just show you guys the details. Let me form tech person. Let me do like tech people for a minute, okay? So this is really compact. It's just so small. compared to what I use. It's really, really small and I like it. It's really, really portable. I'm just so used to HP laptops. This is really nice, really, really nice. And it has the touch buttons here, which I really like. And yeah, I think this is the on button. So guys, that is it, and I really like my laptop. It's really, really nice. It's so portable. It's so I'm trying to check, like I will insert a picture or a video of the other one so you can compare the two. Like what you always want to look at for is the buttons. Like the first thing I noticed about that particular laptop was the buttons had so many dents in it, in the keypad, so many dents in it. It had a crack somewhere here, it had cracks on the body and all that. So these things you really need to look out for. And you cannot, just because you bought it from a Apple authorized store here in Nigeria, I'm talking about Nigeria now, you cannot, because you bought it from a Apple authorized store and you feel maybe they will not do anything corny, they are not going to refurbish. That one, I got it from an Apple authorized store here in Port Harcourt, and they delivered that nonsense to me. I sent it back immediately, and I decided to buy direct from Apple store in UK, but the price was okay and everything, but shipping it now might cost more. When I add the shipping cost and everything, it will cost more than if I'm getting it from an authorized store here. I had to look for another authorized store that I am sure of. So this one, I got it from an authorized store in Apple authorized store in Abuja. So, and I'm really happy about it. At least I'm sure it is new. There is no crack, nada. I'm so happy. So yeah, that's it for this unboxing. I'm just going to go ahead and, this is MacBook. I'm not used to it yet, but I'm trying to see how I'll get used to the laptop. Everything on this laptop is definitely new to me, but I'll get used to it. I mean, it's me. So yeah, that's it for this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed unboxing this my new laptop with me. Okay, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And this baby girl here promises to bring you more juicy content. Okay, until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.